वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूनाइटेड कोचिंग। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 25 क्वेश्चंस ऑन जनरल नॉलेज। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच एनिमल हैज इट्स हार्ट इन इट्स हेड? सो आंसर इज श्रिम्प। Our next question is which animal never dies? So answer is jellyfish species named Turritopsis dohrnii. There is only one species that has been called biologically immortal, that is the jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii. These small transparent animals can turn back time by reverting to an earlier stage of their life cycle. Our next question is which animal has no brain and heart? So answer is jellyfish. A jellyfish has no ears or eyes or nose or brain or heart. They don't even have a head. Our next question is which animal gives birth only once in lifetime? So answer is octopus. Octopuses are seminiparous animals, which means they reproduce once and then they die. After a female octopus lays eggs, she quits eating and wastes away. By the time the egg hatches, she dies. Our next question is which animal can sleep up to 3 years? So answer is snail. Certain land snails can sleep up to 3 years in hibernation and estivation. Our next question is which animal has fingerprints like humans? The answer is koalas. The fingerprints of a koala are so indistinguishable from humans that on some occasions they have been confused for humans at the crime scene. Our next question is which animal cannot jump? So answer is elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Our next question is which bird has eyes bigger than its brain? So answer is an ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Our next question is what is known as Jurassic era plant? So answer is lichens is known as Jurassic era plant. Lichens organism form from a symbiotic relationship between algae or cyanobacteria and some fungi species. Lichens have the ability to grow on almost any surface. Our next question is where is the first lichens park in India? So answer is Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed India's first lichen park in Munsiari in Pittoragarh district. Uttarakhand alone has presence of over 600 species of lichen in its territory. Our next question is which bird can fly backwards? So answer is hummingbirds. These tiny birds can fly forward, hover and are the only known birds to fly backwards as well. Our next question is how do elephants reduce their body temperature? So answer is elephants can reduce their body temperature by their ears. An elephant's primary cooling system is a pair of ears. By flapping their ears, elephant can reduce their body temperature. Warm blood from the body enters the ears. By flapping their ears, this blood is cooled down and re-enters the bloodstream. Elephants often spread their ears and face towards wind to magnify this effect. Our next question is which elephant species has the largest ears? So answer is African savanna elephants have the largest ears. Our next question is which animal is the common state animal of Jharkhand, Karnataka and Kerala in India? So answer is elephant. Our next question is which is the largest bird in the world? So answer is ostrich. The ostrich is the tallest and heaviest bird on the planet. Females can grow up to 6 feet and weigh more than 90 kg while male can reach up to 9 feet tall and roughly 130 kg in weight. Our next question is the only dolphin sanctuary of India, Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary, is located in which state? So answer is Bihar. Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary is located in Bhagalpur district of Bihar, India. The sanctuary is a 60-kilometer stretch of river Ganga. Since 1991, it is protected area for the endangered Gangetic dolphins in Asia. Our next question is what is the name of the new species of fish that has been discovered in Arunachal Pradesh, India? So answer is Schizothorax sicusirumensis. It was discovered in June 2020 and it belongs to genus Schizothorax. It was named after the rivers Siku and Sirum in East Siang district. Our next question is which is the first marine national park in India? So answer is Gulf of Kutch Marine National Park. It was established in 1980. It is situated on the southern shore of the Gulf of Kutch in Dwarka district of Gujarat, India. It is an area of around 270 square kilometers. Our next question is which is the biggest national park in India? So answer is Hemis National Park. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir states. Next question is, which is the smallest national park in India? So answer is South Button Island National Park. The South Button Island National Park is situated in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and has an area of just 0.03 square kilometers. Our next question is, which is the second smallest national park in India? So answer is Mandla Plant Fossil National Park of Madhya Pradesh, has an area of just 0.27 square kilometers, which makes it the second smallest national park of India and the smallest national park in mainland India. Our next question is, which state has highest number of national parks? So answer is Madhya Pradesh, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands have the highest number of national parks. Each has 9 national parks. Our next question is, how many national parks are there in India? So answer is, as of year 2020, there are 104 existing national parks in India, covering an area of around 40,501 square kilometers, which is about 1.23% of the total geographical area of the country. Our next question is, India's first ever sky cycling park will open in which city? So answer is, India's first ever sky cycling park will soon open in Gulaba area near Manali in Himachal Pradesh. It is about 350-meter long and is located at a height of 9,000 feet above sea level. Our next question is, which is the only floating sanctuary in the world? So answer is Kabul Lamjao National Park is considered unique as it is the only floating sanctuary in the world. The park has 1.5 meter deep foliage which keeps it floating. It floats on the water of the Loktak Lake in Manipur, India.